Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to copy your Ethereum address from Binance in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Ethereum addresses are crucial for sending and receiving ETH, so knowing how to access yours on Binance can save you from headaches during transactions. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you don't have one, head over to the Binance website or app and sign up. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu or sidebar. Click on it to open your wallet overview. Next, select Spot Wallet, or Fiat and Spot, depending on your interface. It might vary slightly based on updates in 2025, but look for the main wallet area. Now, find Ethereum in your asset list. It should be easy to spot since it's one of the most popular cryptos. Once you locate ETH, you'll see your wallet address displayed right there. To copy it, simply click on the address or look for a Copy button next to it. Most modern interfaces have a one-click copy feature to make things user-friendly. After copying, paste it somewhere safe, like a note or directly into your transaction details, to double-check for accuracy. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so always verify to avoid any errors. One quick tip: if you're using the Binance app on your phone, the process is even simpler. Just tap on your ETH balance, and the address will pop up with a copy option. And hey, if you run into any issues, Binance has excellent support resources or community forums to help out. There you have it. That's how you copy your ETH address from Binance in 2025. It's a breeze once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a like. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.